Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Byte Boost, and this is going to be our part 3 of Basic of Excel. In the last video, we have learned about fonts, and there are some functions which I had to tell you, so we are going to those functions in this video, and then we are going to jump quickly to the alignment function. So without any delay, let's jump to the video. So here there are some functions which I had to tell you in the last video, that is how you can change your font color. So simply you can write Excel and let me increase the font size. So as you can see here, this is increase font size. So for example, if I'm going to click it here, suddenly it's getting changed to 12. Now it's 14. Now it's 16. So approx it's taking to count between your click. So example, if I have selected this font size 16 and I am pressing Control B, that is for bold the font. And now if I would like to change the font color, you can select any color from here, or you have this more color option. So from here also you can choose any color, for example pink. So as you know, pink color is the favorite colors of girls. So let me select this pink. So now as you can see here, this Excel font turned into the pink color. So now again, if you would like to increase the font size, you can increase as per of your convenience. And if you'd like to decrease this font decrease sizes here, you can decrease as per of your choice. So now let's quickly jump into the alignment. So next topic, which is we have already covered clipboard. So let me highlight it. So with the color, now let me change this color to green. Now this we have covered already. Font we have covered. Now we have to cover alignment. For example, this, as you can see here, this is top align. For example, if you'd like to align this font to your top of the cell, you can use it. So as you can see, it is not reflecting. You will not able to understand, okay, whether it has been aligned to the top of the cell or not. But if you would like to align to the top, as you can see here, this font has been aligned to the top. Now on the same, this is middle align. So if you would like to align this text to the middle of the cell, so this is the button. So now if you will click it, so as soon as you click this middle line, this will be aligned to your middle. Now this one is the bottom align. Once you will click it, it will get aligned to the bottom. Now just below of this alignment, these are the function, as you can see, align left. So let me increase this column size so that you can understand. So as you can see here, this text is aligned to the bottom, to the left of the column. Now if I would like to align this text to bottom of this column and middle of the cell, then you have to click this middle align. Now in the same bottom align, or you would like to align it to the left, you can click this one. This is align right. But professionally, what you have to do is you have to align the text to the middle, and you have to align the text to the uh, middle of this cell. So center it, and then again you middle align, then your text will be look like this. Now one more important function of this alignment is, as you can see here, this is showing decrease indent. That is, move your content closer to the cell border. For example, if I'll click this for let me write something. So as you can see here, now let me select this one and let me decrease the size to this, then you can understand it better. So now as you can see here, as we have clicked this increase indent, this will move your content further away from the cell border. Okay, so once you will click it, again as you can see here, it is moving right to our cell border. Now it is the same decrease indent that will move your content closer to the cell. So as you can see here, if I'm clicking it, it is going closer to the border. Now I hope this is clear to you how you can use this indent. Now example again, let me delete this and increase the font size so you can see better, and let me align to the middle. And now if I would like to change the orientation of this font, so simply you can click here down here and you can see angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down, or format cell alignment. So if you will click on the format cell alignment, it will give you this menu where you can change the text. For example, how you'd like to align the text, or along with this function, it is text control where you can wrap the text, where you can shrink to fit, you can merge cells or text direction. For example, now if I'll choose this -44 degree for this cell, for this text, so as you can see it turned to 44 degree. So if you don't want to use this form as cell align or predefined vertical text, rotate text up, it is already given. So it will be useful whenever you are preparing a report for your organization. For example, you have a team member, you have different team, and a different team have a different name and different people are on that team. So you can use this function. For example, if I'll write here this, write here this. For example, the team I have here is Ganga. Second one is obviously Jamuna, and third one is Saraswati. Now, as you can see here, this texts are aligned to vertical wise. An example, if you would like to change this all text at once to a certain angle, so you can use this. So let's say I would like to rotate this text down because I don't feel like it should go bottom to top, it should come top to bottom. So now it looks better, or we can change it to somewhere like angle counterclockwise. This is looking much better than before. Now one thing along with this text we can do is wrap text. So wrap text is something that you can wrap this text. For an example, this your team name is bigger than the text, this cell, so you can use this wrap text. For example, I decrease this column size. So as you can see here, this text is now going out of the cell border. So now what I want is this cell has to be, this name has to be under this cell. So for that reason, if I'll use this wrap text, so as you can see, it got wrapped. And now I'll use this one, and I'll use this one. So it's looking fine now. And one the most important use of this wrap text is, for example, if I'll write anything else here, and as you can see here, it is out of the border. So now I want to wrap this text in one cell only. For example, you are giving description for any product and that should be in one cell. So for that you can use this wrap text. So once I'll click it, as soon as I clicked on this wrap text, all this description has been fixed under one cell. So this is how you can use this wrap text. And also, for example, I have written something here. Let's say this one I have written Excel, and let me align it a little bit to the top, to the middle, and I'll increase this font size. Okay, now it's look much better. Now again, I'll copy it to up to J column. So let me highlight it so that you can see. Now this is something that we want it till the J column, right? So for that, we do have this merge and center option, which is under alignment. So simply what you have to do is you have to select this cell till J3. Once you will click this merge and center, so this will become your header of this Excel, right? So now once I'll use this table option, so it will create a beautiful border, and let's a little bit expand this column. So now you can see if I will increase this font size, and let's say this would be the description of this table which we have created just now. So we can use this merge and center option, and to wrap text within one cell we can use wrap text. So I hope I have covered everything under this alignment menu all function. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can simply put comment on our YouTube video, or you would like to reach out regarding any of your doubt, your queries, or your report which you would like to prepare. So we will try to respond you as soon as possible. And thank you very much for watching this video. Let's meet on the another video. Thank you very much.